Greenspun Band is like a family. We make good music and we get to put on a lot of fun concerts.
You should join this magnificent band because our band teacher, Mr. Macias, teaches us some great stuff. We learn some fun instruments too. Trombone players, they are weird.
We have a great symphonic band too.
We also have the best jazz band around and they play all kinds of music.
We have a great intermediate band too.
That's over with. Let's get back to what we were talking about. You should join band because we make the best.